love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, just a friend. Okay. How would you like it if I do the things you do? What you want, do not disturb and entertain these dudes. How would you like it if I do the things you do? What you want, do not disturb and
Hey girl, bring it back,
how
back,
would you
back,
like
back,
it?
back,
How
back,
would you
back,
like it?
back, back,
How
back,
would you
back,
like it?
back,
How would you like it?
hey girl, bring it back,
How
back,
would you
back,
like it?
back,
Would you like it? Would you like it? Would you like it? Would you like it?
Hi YouTube. Okay, so today we got us a Q&A slash a mukbang, I want to say. It's just, I got grilled cheese here and some eggs. And I got me some questions that you guys asked me. I wrote it down on paper since I filmed from my phone, sadly. I wrote it down on paper. And I'm gonna ask you guys a question. I'm gonna take a few bites in. Take a few bites. Take a few bites of everything. Just something slight. Something simple. And we're gonna talk about something, but I'm gonna tell you. But we're gonna ask you a question first. Give me. Okay, the first question we got on our agenda is what is your short-term goal? I honestly think I don't know yet. Honestly. That's weird to say. I honestly think I honestly think I don't know my short-term goal. I have goals, like a lot of them, but I don't have one in specifically. But I can tell you my goals though. If I'm not reading the question wrong, I have like a million of goals I want to get to. I'm gonna get to 1K on YouTube, most definitely. I want to I don't know. Oh, graduate out of college. I want to become a writer, and I think that's it for the goals. But I think I have a lot of them. What I do, I'm just not thinking of them. I feel. Because I do have a lot of them, I know that for sure, but maybe I'm just not thinking of them. Maybe. Right. Next question. What was your longest relationship? My longest relationship was a year. And it was a good year until it started like it just went like, it was at one pace, but it just went like that. Like one person was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just back away, you know? And you guys know it takes two to be in a relationship though. Yeah, that's me, yeah. What is my favorite show, movie, and food? Okay. My favorite show, movie, and food. Well, my favorite show of all time is, I love Stranger Things, but I'm gonna have to say The Vampire Diaries. I love me some Vampire Diaries. Like, that was my show from the beginning to the end. Like, I was like so upset that they went off, but That was my show, I promise you. That was my show. And I really do love Stranger Things. I think Stranger Things would be like my next favorite show, but yeah, Vampire Diaries is one of them. My favorite movie of all time. And I got water. Alright, guys. My favorite movie of all time. That's tough. That's really, really tough. But I got a lot of favorite movies. That's really, really tough. I'm pretty sure you probably. I'm pretty sure some of my viewers probably don't know this movie or these movies, but I like all like the Rocky movies. Like Rocky 1, Rocky 2, Rocky 3, Rocky 4, Rocky 5. I like those movies. Like, I know like a little old school, but I really like those movies. But yeah, that's my favorite movie. My favorite food. My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza. I don't know why I just love pizza. Yeah. What school are you going to? I'm going to Columbia College of Chicago. It's here in Chicago. And I already went to my orientation. I forgot to upload a video for that, but it was like really good. It was like a good orientation. They talked about, you know, a lot of things, like college life, what you're gonna do when you get here, who are you expected to see, and things like that. But it was pretty fun. That's the school I'm going to. My major is creative writing. Creative writing is my major. I feel like I always wanted to write. And when I was in school, I used to write my thoughts and feelings down and how I felt about things and life, you know, things like that. So that's the one reason why I wanted to become a writer and why that is my major. Next. I think it's the last question. And it says, what is your favorite thing to do? I have a lot of favorite things that I love to do. And it's dancing and singing. Well, I'm really not singing, I can sing to myself, but I really love going out shopping. I spend a lot of money. So that's why I need to be a big YouTuber. Subscribe to me. I spend a lot of money. Subscribe to me. And I love to be creative in things. Like, I love to like step out of the box. You see what I'm saying? I love to, that is my main thing that I love to do. I like to step out of the box. And YouTube has helped me like grow as a person, cause I know I'm not a big YouTuber yet, but it's like taught me like a lot of things when I was doing it. Like it even taught me at a younger stage. Oh, go watch that story time. Go watch that story time on why I didn't create YouTube faster than I did when I was young. Go watch that story time. But I just, you know, I know that I let things get to me, which I shouldn't let things get to me. So like anything my subscribers will say or anything you guys say, I'ma like take it as, okay, this is how they feel about me, what should I do? And it should never be like that, because you guys are behind the camera telling me, you know, opinions. You know, that's your opinion, and I gotta keep learning that their opinion, and that's how they feel about it. So that's something I have to keep learning. And sometimes I think I'm still a kid because of the way like I act and I go about things. So that kind of hurts me that I just think that I don't know. Anyways, what am I getting? So I'm getting so off topic. Anyway, I just that's just me. I don't know, but I shouldn't take things to heart. And shout out to Beloved Life for commenting under my video. Thank you, Beloved. Thank you so much. And hopefully you see this video and you give me a shout out. I know that I'm gonna be doing small mukbangs, but I know once I get there, I'm gonna strive to be great. But yeah, I just feel like my favorite thing to do is to be creative, and it's something I love to do. And I don't think that, you know, that could be stopped, like, of my dream. I think that anything is possible if you put your mind to it. And there's hope for you. Anything is possible if you just put your mind to it. Because I met a lot of people that told me, oh, patience is the key, my friend. Patience is the key. And I have to keep reminding that in my head, like, okay, this is what my, the people that I love is saying to me. Patience is the key. And, when I was doing YouTube, way back then when I was a kid, I just was like, I'm not growing. Like, why don't I have like a lot of subscribers? I'm not growing. What's going on? Like, I'm not growing. And I just got so upset, and patience was not, my, it just was all bad. So now, I guess we're growing older to know that not everything is gonna come to you as quick as you want it to. You know what I'm saying? And in story time, when I was saying that because this is something I want to do. YouTube is something I want to do, and I really, like to show myself. I have the personality for it, and I see that now, and I look at myself. I recap on my video, and I look at myself, and I haven't even been looking at other YouTubers. Like, I've been trying to grow for myself. So me being back in that comment section and they telling me like, oh, we gonna shout you out, like we got you, like everybody trying to grow in this field. And I met a lot of good people. I met a lot of good people, so I know that there's hope for me. And I will get the subscribers, I'm aiming for. So my goal is to get to 1K by the summer is over. By the summer is over, I want to get to 1K. And then after 1K, I'm going to make the goal to hit 7K. They're my goals. And YouTube is by far my most favorite thing that I want to do as of now. My favorite thing is being creative, and that's what YouTube gives you. A creative field, a creative setting, because all the YouTubers do editings. They, you know, they edit their voiceovers. They do, you know, they do a lot of things, and I want to be in that position, and I'm gonna strive to it. I'm gonna work hard, and I'm gonna get there. Thank you guys for the Q&A questions. If you want more videos like this, comment, share, and like this video. Excuse me. To become a member of Eating with Brittany,